Whenever I ask moms a simple question, what is the one thing that is stopping you from doing business? Almost every time the answer is the same. It's sales. They say, I can work hard, I can learn new skills, but selling? That's just what I can't do. And I understand this really well because when I started my own business, I used to run away from selling. I used to feel awkward while selling and I was very scared of being judged. But over time, while working on my business and while working with moms in business, I realized one interesting thing. Moms think they are bad at sales, but actually, moms already have the exact skills that they need to be good at sales. We don't recognize them first. And that is why we get so scared when we are starting our business. But before I talk about the skills, we need to understand what sales actually is. I think the biggest reason why most people are scared about sales is because we misunderstand what it actually means. We imagine someone pushing products, talking loudly, trying to convince everyone. But real sales is much more simpler than that. Sales is just understanding the problem and showing a solution. That's all. When you tell a mom about a good pediatrician, you're doing the same thing. When you share with a friend about a product that helped you, you are doing the same thing. You're not forcing them. You are simply sharing something that might help them too. And that's exactly what sales in business should sound like. A conversation where you offer a solution. Once I started looking at sales in this way, I stopped feeling uncomfortable because actually it was something I was already doing as a mom. As moms, we actually practice sales skills every day. And these are the skills that you're already really good at. As a mom, you're already good at understanding people. You notice your child is upset without them sharing anything. You notice what they need, and then you try to figure out how to help them. The ability to observe and understand people is a very powerful skill. And in sales, this is exactly where the good conversations begin. Understanding a person sitting across to you is the most important thing in sales. When I started my business, I understood that the best sales happen when I was completely aware of what the client needed and what their problems were. Things that she was struggling with, things that she wanted to change. Once I understood that, it was easy for me to explain my offer because the conversation now was about helping her, not about selling something. The second skill that moms very naturally develop is patience and hearing. Children rarely explain things quickly or clearly. So as moms, we learn to listen very carefully. We ask questions. We try to understand what they actually mean. This is the same patience that is extremely valuable in sales. Most people rush into explaining their product immediately, but real sales conversations begins with listening. And I noticed this in my own journey. When I slowed down and asked simple questions instead of explaining everything immediately, the conversation changed completely. People felt heard. And when people feel heard, they trust you more, which is actually very important for sales. The third skill that moms develop is explaining with care. When a child is confused or afraid, we don't pressure them. We explain patiently, we share our experience, we guide them gently. That's how good sales conversations work. Instead of pushing someone to buy, you help them understand. In my own business, I've used this. I noticed that when I stopped trying to sound perfect and simply shared my experience, what helped me, what changed for me, people connected with me more honestly. Those conversations feel the most natural because those conversations aren't about selling. They are about sharing something meaningful. So if sales is feeling uncomfortable for you right now, you can try something simple. This week, have 3 genuine conversations. Before talking about your offer, ask 2 real questions just to understand the person first. Then share your experience honestly and give them the clarity about how your offer can actually solve their problem. Because sales is not just about making people buy your products. It's about hoping that whatever product you have created or whatever offer you have will solve a big problem in their life. If this video helped you in any way, do subscribe to my channel where I keep sharing videos to help moms in their business. I also have some links in the description, some digital tools that will guide you to build your business in an efficient way.